Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on key probability equations. Today, I will explain some fundamental concepts in probability, break down important equations, and give practical examples to help you understand them better. So, I have here the 5 examples that I will be discussing to you later. So, let's break them down. The number 1 is non-negativity action. Number 2, normalization axiom. Number 3, finite additivity axiom. Number 4, complement rule. And the last one is union of events. Number 1, non-negativity axiom. The first equation we'll discuss is the non-negativity axiom, which states that the probability of any event A is always greater than or equal to 0. Probability of A is greater than or equal to 0. So, we have example here. Suppose we roll a fair 6-sided die. The probability of rolling any specific number, like A4, is 1/6, which is greater than 0. Since probability values cannot be negative, this follows the non-negativity axiom. Number 2, normalization axiom. Normalization axiom tells us that the total probability of all possible outcomes is equals to 1. P of omega is equals to 1. We have here an example. When flipping a coin, the possible outcomes are heads or tails. Since one of these outcomes will always occur, the sum of their probabilities is probability of heads plus probability of tail is equals to 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. Number 3, finite additivity axiom. Now, let's discuss the finite additivity axiom. If two events A and B are mutually exclusive, meaning they cannot happen at the same time, the probability of either A or B occurring is the sum of their individual probabilities. Probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B. So we have here an example. When drawing a single card from a standard deck, the probability of drawing a king is 4/52, or a queen is 4/52. This probability of king union queen is equal to 4/52 plus 4/52 equals 8/52 and equals to 2/13. Number 4, complement rule. The complement rule states that the probability of an event not occurring is 1 minus the probability of it occurring. So the formula is probability of A complement equals 1 minus probability of A. So we have here an example. If the probability of it raining tomorrow is 0.3, the probability of it not raining is probability of no rain equals 1 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.7. Number 5, union of events, or general addition rule. We have the general addition rule, which applies when events A and B can overlap. To find the probability of either event happening, we add their probabilities but subtract the overlap to avoid double counting. So the formula is probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So we have here an example. If probability of drawing a king is 4/52, or a heart is 13/52 from a deck is calculated, we must subtract the king of hearts since it is counted twice. Probability of king union heart equals 4/52 plus 13/52 minus 1 over 52 equals 16 over 52 and 4 over 13. So we have discussed the probability equations, non-negativity axiom, normalization axiom, finite additivity axiom, complement rule, and union of effects. I hope these explanations and examples make these probability equations clearer. Understanding these rules help us apply them correctly when analyzing real-world situations. Thanks for watching and feel free to ask any questions.